Hello and welcome to this tutorial. Today I'll be showing you how to make this face mask. This one has an opening for a filter paper. I'll be leaving a link down below for the filter paper you're seeing on the screen right now. To draft the pattern for the face mask, I'm going to make a rectangle which is 4.5 inches wide and 5 inches long. And from this point I'm going in by an inch. Now mark the midpoint of this line, going again by 1.5 inches, up by 1.5 inches, and here come down by 1.5 inches as well. Now connect these lines, I'll connect these points with dashed lines. I'm going to mark the midpoint of these dashed lines. Now I'm going up by 0.5 inch, 0.25, 0.25, and I'll come down by 0.5 inch. Now using a French curve, I'm going to connect the extensions I just made. I've gone ahead to add half an inch sewing allowance all around the pattern, and I'm going to cut out 4 pieces of this from the fabric. These are the first two for the front side of the mask, and I'm going to place it like this, right sides facing each other, and I'm going to join it with half an inch. I've joined it and this is how it looks. This is the front side of the face mask. These two are for the inner side of the face mask, and I'm going to place the opening for the filter paper right on this one. Based on the measurement of the filter paper, I've cut out a piece of fabric which is 11 cm wide and 10 cm long. I'm going to place a piece of fabric on this side of the face mask like this, front sides facing each other. I'll adjust it to the position that I'd like and pin it up. Now using a ruler, I'm going to rule the line at the point I want the opening to be. From this first line, I'll go down by 0.5 cm and 1 cm. I'll mark this point all the way to the other side of the piece of fabric. I'm going to mark the width of the opening, which is 8 cm. Now from this point, I'll go in by 1 cm. I'll do the same right here. Then I'll connect this line. Now from this edge, I'm going to make an inverted triangle. Now I'm going to sew all around this line. This is how it looks so far. As you can see, I've sewn all around the rectangle I made earlier. Now I'm going to fold it like this. Create a small incision with the scissors. Now from this incision, I'm going to cut all the way to the tip of the triangle right here. Then I'll stop, turn around, and continue down to the two sides of the triangle. Now I'll cut close enough but not past the seam line. I'll do the same to this other side. Through this opening, I'm going to send the remaining part of the fabric to the other side of the face mask. This is how it looks. I'm going to iron it. This is how it looks after ironing. From here, I'll go down by 1 cm. From this 1 cm, I'll go down by 2.5 cm and I'll fold up like this. I'll use it to cover the opening. Holding this fold firmly, I'm going to flip it like this. Then I'll pin it up. I'm going to run a stitch along this line and show you. This is it. As you can see, this side is being held down by the stitch. So this is it. That fold is now covering up the opening. I'll go into the side. I'm going to fold in the fabric like this. Then I'll run a stitch. I'll run a stitch along this line. Right here. I'll do the same to the other side. I'll fold in the fabric like this. Then I'll sew. This is the look so far. If you look closely, you'll see the 3 seam lines I just made. Now I'm going to clean up the edges with a zigzag stitch. First, I'll fold it up like this. I'll fold, then I'll pin it. I'll do this all around and I'll run a zigzag stitch through the edges. This is the final look of the opening. It looks more like a pocket, a welt pocket to be precise. Now I'm going to join these two sides of the face mask like this, with the right sides facing each other. I'm going to run a stitch along this line. I've joined the two sides and this is how it looks. I've gone ahead to cut out a pair of elastic which is 12 inches long. I'm placing this front side of the face mask like this. I'm going to pin the elastic to it. From here I'll go down by half an inch. And up by half an inch. I'll place one end of the elastic like this and pin. I'll place the other end to this side and pin. I'll do the same to this other side. I'm going to place the inner side of the face mask on top of the front side like this, right sides facing each other. I'll pin it all around and sew. I'm going to sew all around with half an inch sewing allowance. I've sewn it all around and I've removed the pins. Now I'm going to notch the edges, then I'll bag it out through the opening. I discovered that the elastic was so long, so I reduced it by 4 inches, so the total length is 8 inches. This is the end of this tutorial. As you can see, you can place in your filter paper through this opening. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe, and remember to stay safe.